At Rupee Rakshak, we don't just give stock calls, we track them, review them, and show you performance in real time. That's the difference between noise and SEBI-registered research. This week, we have got 5 fresh swing trade opportunities plus updates on last week's winners. Let's dive in. Last week, our swing picks, DMART, BEL, TRENT all stayed strong. DMART gained over 3% returns, BEL over 3.5%. TRENT stayed flat but intact. We continue to hold these 3 stocks into the next week. Discipline pays. Small risks, controlled stop loss, steady profits. Mahanagar Gas MGL. Entry price 1357. Target 1482 plus 9.2%. Stop loss 1328 minus 2.1%. The gas sector is showing strength. Bullish crossover is visible on the chart. A low risk setup with solid upside. Minus 2.1% for plus 9.2%. Kirlos Bros. Entry price 2087, target price 2310 plus 10.7%, stop loss 2024 at minus 3%. Strong breakout from consolidation with volume pickup, and this stock is ready for momentum push. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals, the MRPL. Entry price 132, target is 150 plus 13.6%. Stop loss 128 at minus 3%. Clear uptrend forming after long base. High relative strength, energy sector tailwind. Century Plyboards, the Century Ply. Entry price 822, target price 900, that is plus 9.5%, and stop loss 800, that is minus 2.7%. Breaking out from the resistance with higher lows, chart shows the strong demand zone holding firm. That is minus 2.7% opportunity for a plus 9.5%. Godrej Consumer Products. Entry price 1245, target price 1305, that is plus 4.8%, stop loss at 1220 minus 2%. Stabilizing after pullback, support zone is intact, good defensive play with upside potential. These 5 stocks are fresh entries for new traders. If you're already holding DMART, BEL or TRENT from last week, stay put. For newcomers, these 5 give you the best setups right now. If you are new, don't try to take all trades at bigger volume. Pick just one share of each of the stock and watch how the plan plays out. That's the smartest, lowest cost way to learn swing trading. So to wrap it up, BEL, DMART, TRENT continue from last week, and MGL, Kirlos Bros, MRPL, Century Ply, Godrej CP are our fresh 5 for this week. Follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel for real-time alerts. Drop a comment if you made money from our calls last week. We would love to hear your story. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because every week we bring you the money-making swing trades backed by real analysis, not noise. This is Rupee Rakshak Advisory, protecting your wealth, powering your growth.